In this video, I will show you how to apply filter on WhatsApp video call. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version because it's a new feature and it won't be available in your app if it's not updated. To update your app, go to the Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for iOS users. Search for WhatsApp and if an update is available, tap on the update button. After updating the app, once you are on the home screen, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. A drop down menu will appear. Tap on the settings option. This will take you to the WhatsApp settings page where you can control various features of the app. Look for the privacy option and tap on it. Here, scroll down and you will find allow camera effects option. It is disabled by default. Tap on the toggle button right in front of it to enable it. As soon as you tap the toggle button, a pop-up window will appear on the screen. This pop-up explains the camera effects features and asks for your confirmation. Tap on the continue button to proceed. Once you tap continue, the filter effects will be successfully enabled on your WhatsApp account. Now you will be able to apply filters during video calls. And this is how you can apply filter on WhatsApp video call.